Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to get your student discount for YouTube Premium, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. Alright, so for this way, the easiest method is to just Google YouTube Premium Student. It will be the very first option. It says Get YouTube Premium. You'll see the URL is Premium and then Student. So you're going to go into this page. You give it a few seconds to load. And here you'll just click on this Try 1 month for free. And click on Continue. You will now be redirected to the Share ID page. Here you will verify your student status. So we will add a country, educational establishment. We'll also add our first name, last name, date of birth. And then we are going to add an email address and verify my student status. You'll now see that you will have to upload some documents. So you're going to have to upload your proof of enrollment. So here, upload your educational establishment issued document that shows your full name, educational establishment, and date proving enrollment for the current term. And then acceptable examples include your student ID card with the expiration date, educational timetable, and a tuition receipt. You can just add them up over here and it should be in these formats. And once you're done, you will go through to the page where you can then make a payment to have YouTube Premium with the student discount.